TW02 video for installation, disassembly, and operation. 1. Unboxing the baby crib. Unpack and take out the baby crib. Place the baby crib on the floor, then untie the storage bag. Take out the instruction manual and storage pouch, then place them on the floor. Take the baby crib out of the storage bag. Fold up the storage bag for later use. Then set the baby crib on the floor. Unfasten the storage buckles on both sides of the mattress. Take out the baby crib. Finally, fold the mattress along the seams. After unboxing, please check whether any accessories are missing or damaged. 2. Unfold the baby crib. Unfold the baby crib to a suitable position. Note: keep the upright above your knees. Then lock the second lock on the 4 armrests. Finally, press the upright all the way down. The baby crib is fully unfolded. 3. Mattress Installation. Take out the mattress. Lay the mattress flat on the bed base with its top side facing up. Insert the mattress Velcro straps into the hook and loopholes under the bed respectively. Next, open the side bed rail. Securely attach the mattress hook and loop fasteners to the underside of the bed. The mattress has been installed. 4. Storage bag installation. Take out the storage bag. Take 2 plastic hooks. Attach them to the short armrest side, respectively. The storage bag has been installed. 5. Removal of storage bag. Just remove the 2 plastic hooks from the short armrest of the crib. The storage bag has been removed. 6. Mattress Disassembly. Just fold the mattress along the seam and take it out. 7. Crib storage. First, lift the upright posts up above your knees. Then unlock the double locks of the armrest one by one and press down at the same time. Finally, fold up the crib completely. 8. Crib packing. Unfold the mattress first. Place the crib on top of the mattress. Then wrap the crib mattress tightly along the seams. Finally, just fasten the Velcro straps on both sides. Take out the storage bag. Slip the crib into the storage bag. Put the storage pouch into the small PE bag. Finally, stand the storage bag upright. Place the PE bag and the instruction manual inside the storage bag. Tighten the elastic band. Finally, take out the carton. Put the crib into the carton. Then seal the carton in an H shape with packing tape. Introduction to the crib finished. Thank you for watching.